Hey there, I'm reviewing the FURTALK Winter Hat for women, which is both functional and fashionable, making it perfect for chilly weather. The fleece-lined interior provides extra warmth and comfort, ensuring your head stays cozy even on the coldest days. The chunky knit design adds a trendy touch, and the hat fits snugly without being too tight. It is soft and stretchy, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. The snowcap style pairs well with casual or outdoor outfits, making it a versatile addition to your winter wardrobe. The high-quality materials ensure durability, and the hat holds its shape well after multiple uses and washes. Whether you are braving the snow or running errands in the cold, this beanie is a great choice. Highly recommend it for anyone looking to stay warm and stylish this winter.